navigate to ChatGPT and write a prompt. Inshallah, in this video we will learn AI driven enable e-commerce data layer with custom JavaScript using Google Tag Manager. Navigate to Google Tag Manager, move on variables, built-in variables, configure and enable all click variable. Then move on triggers, new trigger configuration and save this to triggers all element and just links. Let's go preview. Make sure to enter the website URL here, then connect. Let's view a product, then add to cart. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Here we see data layer is not enabled. Let's see the GA4 recommended event parameter. Basically, we will capture currency, value, item ID, item name, item category, price and quantity. Event. According to our requirement, we also capture affiliation, coupon and other event, but I will not capture this event. Back to our website and inspect product name. We got our product name class here. Let's copy this product name class and move on console. Clear everything and type here document dot query selector parenthesis single quotation. To capture class we need to use a dot, so we are using a dot and paste the class that we copied, then dot, then inner text, then semicolon. We are got our product name here. Let's check if we can get the name of another product using this code. This product name claim hydrating moisturizer. Let's enter. Yes, it works. Let's copy this code. Back to Google Tag Manager. Move on variables. Inside the user defined variables, new variable configuration, custom JavaScript. Write here function, type here return and paste the code that we copied from our website console. Name the variable, then save. Back to our website. Now we capture the item price. Let's inspect the item price. When we mouse hover the price and WooCommerce price amount, the price get selected. That means we need to capture two class price and WooCommerce price amount. Let's copy them. Move on console. Just like item name for item price as well. Type here document dot query selector, then parenthesis single quotation dot price space dot WooCommerce price amount, then dot inner text. Here we got our item price. Let's check the price of another item. Open another product. This product price 24.50 taka. Let's open this product. This product price 28 taka. Let's enter. Here we see product price show 28 taka. That means it's work. GA4 recommended the price should be number without currency symbol. To remove currency symbol, we use dot replace parenthesis single quotation. Copy the taka symbol and paste here, comma, then single quotation. Here we see replace our currency. Product price convert to number. For this we use parse float. Here we see our product price now without currency symbol and a number. Let's copy this code. Back to Google Tag Manager and copy our previous variable. Click on three dot icon and copy. Now we return our product price. Customize the name. Then save. Back to our website. Now we capture item quantity. Let's inspect. Here we got name. Let's copy this. Move on console. Remove everything. Type here document dot query selector, then parenthesis, then single quotation, then square bracket, and paste the name that we copied, then dot, then value. GA4 recommended quantity also converting to a number just like price. So we will use parse float to convert it a number. Then semicolon. Let's check this code for another product. It work or not. Open another product. And increase quantity. Our previous quantity 1 and our present quantity 4. Let's check. Yes, it works. Let's copy this code. Back to Google Tag Manager and copy any one previous variable. Now we return our product quantity. Customize the name, then save. Back to our website. Now we capture item ID. Most of time we can find item ID on the add to cart button. Let's inspect add to cart button. We got the value 368 and class. Now we can use this class and get attribute value to get item ID. Let's copy this class. Move on console. Type here document dot query selector, then parenthesis, single quotation, then dot, then paste the class that we copied, then dot, get attribute, then parenthesis, single quotation, then value, then semicolon. Here we got our product ID. Now let's test the code to see if it works for different product. Open another product, inspect add to cart button. Here we see value 339. Let's check our previous item ID 368. Let's enter. Here we see our present product 339. That means it's work. Let's copy this code back to Google Tag Manager. Copy any previous variable and return item ID. Customize the name, then save back to our website, and at last we capture item category. Let's inspect item category. We got class product meta. Let's copy this class, move on console, type document.query selector, parenthesis, single quotation, dot, paste the class that we copied, then dot, then inner text. Here we got our product category, but it comes with the word category. Let's replace and trim category word. So dot replace, parenthesis, single quotation, copy category and paste here, then comma, then single quotation, then trim, then semicolon. Here we got our product category. Now let's test the code to see if it works for different product. Open another product. Our previous product category body lotion, and our present product category bundles moisturizer. Let's what happened. Unfortunately, it did not work. It show with categories word because we replace and trim category word, but here it's categories instead of category. We need to write a code that could work for both category and categories. Let's navigate to ChatGPT and write a prompt. I already wrote the prompt before, just copy and pasting. ChatGPT gave us a code. Let's copy this code and back to our website and test it works or not. This code work for category word. Let's check another product. Open another product. This product contain categories. Let's check and see what happened. Paste the enter. Yes, it works both category and categories. Let's copy this code and back to Google Tag Manager. Copy any previous variable and return item category. Customize the name, then save. Now we create array variable. So new variable configuration, custom JavaScript, write here function, Write a variable for item name and call item name variable that we created. Same way for item price. Call item price variable. Same way for item ID, item quantity and item category. Let's do this. Now we create a variable for item array. Go to GA4 event parameter structure and copy item name as it is. Then paste here and value should be our variable name. Copy and paste, then comma, then back to GA4 recommended event parameter structure. Copy item ID as it is. Then paste here and value should be our variable name. Then comma, back to GA4 recommended event parameter structure again. Then copy price as it is. Then paste. Price value should be item price multiplication item quantity. Then comma, back to GA4 recommended event parameters. Then copy quantity as it is. Then paste here and value should be our variable. Then comma, back to GA4 recommended events. Copy item category as it is. Then paste here and value should be our variable. Now return our item array variable. Name the variable. Then save. Now we will push view item event move on tag. New tag configuration. Scroll a bit and custom HTML. Write here opening and closing script tag. Then write this code window dot data layer. Assign window dot data layer operator, then square bracket, then semicolon, then window dot data layer dot push parenthesis, then curly braces, then event name, then e-commerce object, object should be currency. Our website uses BDT as the currency, that's why we sent BDT. Then comma, then object should be value. Value should be item quantity multiplication item price. Let's call our item quantity variable, then multiplication, then call item price, then comma, then object should be items. Let's call our items array. Let's review our code. Here is a wrong. L should be uppercase and comma should be after view item. Now our code is alright. Name the tag, then triggering click on plus icon, trigger configuration, select window loaded, some window loaded events, variable should be page URL, contents slash product slash, because when a product is viewed, the URL always contain the product word. Name the trigger, then save, also save the tag. Now we create a trigger for add to cart. Move on our website and click on add to cart button. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode and click on last click event. Move on variables. Here we see click text add to cart. Let's copy this as it is. Back to Google Tag Manager, triggers, new, trigger configuration, all elements, some clicks, click text equals, and paste that we copied from Google Tag Manager preview mode. Name the trigger, then save. Now we create a tag to push the add to cart event. Move on tags and copy our set view item tag. Just customize the event name and tag name. That's it. It will be work. Let's customize the event name and customize the tag name, then save. Let's preview and check our setup working properly or not. View a item, then add to cart. Move on Google Tag Manager preview mode, then continue. Here we see our set item data layer push event and set add to cart data layer push event tag fired, and also check data layer. Yes, data layer capture all data perfectly. Also add to cart. Yes, it also work. That's all for today. Inshallah, in the next part we will track view cart, begin checkout and purchase event.